Big announcement. We are starting new batch for full stack automation testing. If you want to become an expert in automation testing and build a skilled that a top companies demand, this is the right time to join. Hey guys, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. This is Mohit. So, what you will learn in this batch? So, let me show you guys. So, you will learn core Java basics to advance. It will take 25 to 30 days, you know. Then you will learn Selenium 30 days. Then you will learn Cucumber framework in depth. It will take 5 days. The best part in this course, you are going to learn from API testing from basics to advanced, manual and automation. So in this batch, you are going to learn rest assured in the depth. It will take 45 days. Then you will learn Git. Then you will learn Jenkins. Then you will learn real-time project. Then resume preparation. So many of them you are from the different background. So how to prepare resume, that is the key part while switching the job. If your resume preparation is not good or your resume is not properly prepared, you will not get the interview calls. How we can mention manual project in automation, that guidance I will give you. Will take n number of mock interviews, so that will help you in your real interview when you will start. And we have a also placement support. So I have a many community where I am posting daily jobs over there, keyword jobs and referrals, so I will also help you. Apart from that, how to create, you know, Naukri profile where your profile will be on the top, then LinkedIn profile, so recruiter will come and find your profile as well. Okay, then after completing the course you will put minimum 3 to 5 year of experience in automation testing profile. So guys, here we are doing lot of hands-on practice. Okay, so from how we write the code in real time, that experience you will get. So you can nicely put 3 to 5 year of experience in automation testing. Then in this class, the best part, you are going to class recording for each session and you will get the notes as well. So notes will also help you for the revision. Okay. So I'll just go for overview of the syllabus. You know what you are going to learn. Core Java in depth. We are starting from very basics. What is system.out.println? How to install JDK? What is main method? What is compiler? Identifier? So we will go for from very basic topic. I'm not going to read all the things, variable, method, modifiers, static and non-static concept. You can see how much content we are going to deliver to you guys. Okay, then final, the best part, object oriented programming language with real time example you will learn, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Then you are going to learn after that collection in the depth. Not only you are learning the theory, you will have a real time experience to write the code as well. Okay, so you can see array, linked list, vector, set, map, then exception handling, then string handling. So it will take 25 to 30 days. Mostly people is going to lack in core Java. Okay, so I designed the syllabus. After completing the course, you are able to crack the interview, you are able to survive in the project. Then you will learn Selenium from basics and advanced topic. So every topic we are doing the practice how to create a methods. Okay, so I am 100% sure this practice you won't be get anywhere. You can find any online classes. Okay, how to create a reusable method. If I will ask you write a code to validate error message, and same code you have to use in your 100 test cases, that practice you are going to learn here. That is what we are doing in real time project. Okay, so you will get you will going to learn from basics to advanced level, and we will do hands-on practice for the framework as well. Okay, so I'm not going to read guys all the topic. You can see the syllabus. You can take the snapshot of this syllabus, and test ng is the heart of automation testing project. So we are going to learn in the depth. Around more than 100 slide is there for test ng. Okay, then Git Jenkins framework development from the scratch, component of the framework, page object, base class, how to read the data from the Excel sheet. Then you will also learn the TestNG framework as well. Then you will also learn Cucumber framework also. Okay, so the best part, you are going to learn in full stack automation testing, API automation, and all the session will be on the live. Okay, so you will learn basics of the API, how to install the Postman, how to create a test cases, how to execute those test cases manually, and all the test cases we will automate using REST assured. Authorization is the one of the important subject in API. You are going to learn, how to create a data, how to execute using the Postman. Then you are going to learn how to automate this using the REST assured. Okay, so it will take 30 to 45 days for the REST assured. Without API testing, you will not get any interview call, guys. So API testing is very important. Okay, so Pojo, how to implement. This is the rest assured topic we have mentioned, and you are going to learn framework development, mock interview, resume preparation, and we have a you know many success story, guys. So more than 500 people got blessed in my session because they learn basics. If you are from non-tech background, if you are from different background, if you never did the programming, you are going to 100% you have a understanding in my session. We will start from the basics, advance, and you know uh, real time project. So definitely you will get blessed as well. And I am giving you 100% job assistant. So you can see many people got blessed. I just added few snapshot. If you have any question, you can comment below. So guys, this registration is going to close soon. If you are interested to join this class, in the description you will get WhatsApp group. You can click on the WhatsApp group and you can join the demo class. If you want to hear more information, please join the demo class, and definitely will share other information as well. So don't get delayed. Many opportunity is coming after this quarter, so do not get delayed. Okay guys, so that's all in this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe also. Okay, so you will get many content in my video as well. Okay, I have uploaded many interviews, question and answer in my channel, so you can go and watch. So in the next video, bye bye.